Hi, welcome back to the Tomato Factory. It is March 22nd. It is 78 degrees outside. The greenhouse is lovely. And I don't think I've gained much at all. And I've been planting for an hour. No, we are gaining. If I've done my count right, we've got about 84,000 babies here. Or 7, something like that. These clusters are coming out really nice. They got really nice roots on them. And my luck, every one of these is going to survive, and I'll have to find some place to plant them or give them away. Well, we're under a flood watch starting tomorrow morning, so I want to get as much of this done as I can right now. Not that being out here in the greenhouse in a rainstorm wouldn't be my first choice. It'd just be awful loud. So next year when we do this, I'm not going to scatter nearly as many seeds, he says. You know, just like I plant heavy and I'm going to thin out and I never get around to it. So we'll see how many of these actually make it. I think probably most of them. Just like that, 24 more. Valerie, when I said I had about 100 more, I was off by a factor of 2. It looks like. Actually, we're getting there. We might actually be able to get all of these. I never had a dream. Never had a doubt. It actually really doesn't take that long. And if you start just about how many you're going to need, it's nowhere near this chore. Don't just grab them and pull them up. You will break the roots. Take your stick, whatever you're going to use, and kind of dig underneath and gently pull them apart. If your cells seem a little tight, use your stick, loosen it up, and it'll slide right down in there. But yeah, just go up underneath. Just kind of pull it up, then they'll come up in a little clump. And they're very easy to handle. There's 24 more. Now I have to make a confession. I knew I was going to have quite a bit to plant, and I knew I didn't have enough potting soil. So I went ahead and broke down and got some Miracle-Gro potting soil. Sometimes even when you're trying to be a purist, got to roll with the punches. This is pretty good potting soil actually. When we put these out in the garden though, we're going to use deep mulch garden soil and our deep mulch compost. That's what we've done the last couple years. We've been pretty successful. We might actually get close to making it. $24 more. Well, there you go. We got about 22 tomato plants. We'll see how many survive, then we'll count them up. Don't count your chickens before they hatch. Although they're hatching pretty good. I need to get some water on these, but I want you to look at something first. We got just a little warm weather on the cabbage and the lettuce, and oh my goodness. Is that a line of peas I see? Yeah, my wife's going to come out here and notice those for sure. I didn't make enough shelves. And there you go, 24 tomatoes in them. I'm joking, of course. We'll see what we get, but this is far more tomatoes than I thought was going to germinate, obviously. You could do this too. I think we'll try our peppers in this next. See if we can't get 200 and some kind of odd peppers, and we'll know when we go to eat them if they're hot or not. We only save seeds from the stuff we like. So it just makes it fun. Sweet potatoes look like they're doing okay. Tons of tomatoes. After this rain, we'll go ahead and plant these peas. Well, that's all the damage I'm going to do for today. And remember, until next time, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and God bless you. Come on, let's plant.
Let's go plant garden.